Tick tock, tick tock. Yeah.
Hey guys, Todd Ault here, Wall Street veteran. We've all heard the phrase, time is money, and it is. Your time is money. Each hour you spend not generating cash is money lost. And the faster you accomplish whatever it is you're trying to accomplish, the more money is saved. So yes, time is money, but there's another measure of time and money. The time it takes to create.
This is the way.
How many of us are keeping track of the financial cost of creating opportunity? Not many. Here's a simple example. You ever hear some dimwit make a comment about big business making too much money for their own good?
Money fight.
When I hear that crap, it drives me insane. Because I know what these dopes never think about. There are no overnight successes. Some of these businesses took years of hard work, millions of dollars in research and development, and a lot of blood, sweat, and tears just to get a product on the market, let alone make a profit. Even social media success takes time. Take a guy like Gary Vee. He'll tell you it took over 10 years for him to establish himself. It didn't happen overnight. Biz Stone, the co-founder of Twitter, said, timing, perseverance, and 10 years of trying will make you look like an overnight success. I know from my own experience, the most precious time I spent was the time it took to set everything just right, just so my companies can succeed. So tick tock, Clarice, tick tock. Every minute you spend creating a new opportunity is not only time well spent, but it's likely to turn into money into your pocket. I've given you gold, now run with it.